Hello class, welcome. I am your English teacher Gaurav Rai. Welcome you on the onset of online class. Today we will read chapter number 4 of class 7th standard English grammar. The topic is sentences. Before starting the chapter, we must know about letter and word. English language, 26 letters are, these are known as alphabets, and we know that A, E, I, O, U are known as vowel, and rest of all are known as consonant. Before vowel we use an, and before consonant sound we use a. A group of letters which has meaning is known as word. So come on the chapter and know about the definition of sentence in detail. So sentence is a group of words giving a complete thought. A sentence must contain a subject and a verb. Sometimes subject may be implied, hidden. A sentence, another definition of sentence is a sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself, typically containing a subject and a predicate, conveying a statement, question, exclamation, or command, and consisting of a main clause and sometimes one or more subordinate clauses. So we can also say that the definition of sentence, very simple definition for you. A sentence is a group of words put together in a certain order giving a complete sense. So firstly, we will start. In this class, we will read 4 types of sentences. There are 4 types of English sentence classified by their purpose. So today we will discuss it here. First is declarative sentence. As you know that declarative sentence is also known as assertive sentence. So we will start here from it. Declarative sentences make a statement. They tell us something. They give us information, and they normally end with a full stop. The usual word order for the declarative sentence is subject plus verb. So we can say that declarative sentence tell us something. Look at the examples. It may be in positive and in negative. We can say positive sentence as affirmative. We can also say it affirmative. So look at the examples. I like coffee. I don't like coffee. We watched TV last night. We didn't watch TV last night. So here you are getting that something is said. They tell us something. Make a statement. They tell us something. Give us information. And it also ends with full stop. Here you are getting I like coffee. They give us information. They tell us something. Like what? Coffee. We watched TV last night. Watched. Who watched? We watched. So it is telling about something, someone. Declarative sentence are the most common type of a sentence. Means that in this sentence you will get, they will tell something. They will tell something. Next one is interrogative sentence. Very simple. They ask us something. They want information, and they always end with a question mark. And the usual word order for the interrogative sentence is WH word plus auxiliary. Auxiliary means helping verb, and subject plus verb. And interrogative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at the examples. And as you know that interrogative sentence will be divided into two types. First one is known WH words, and second is yes no type. So here you are getting the examples of positive and negative. Do you like coffee? Don't you like coffee? Why did you go? Why didn't you go? These are the examples of yes no type that will start with helping verbs and WH words. Third sentence is imperative sentence. As you know that imperative sentence command. Imperative sentence give a command. They tell us to do something and they end with a full stop. Mostly we use full stop in imperative sentence. And what do you mean by imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses an order, a request, or a piece of advice is called an imperative sentence. In this sentence you will get order, command, request, advice. So look at the examples. Stop. It is a order. Don't stop. Negative order. Give her coffee. It may be advice, suggestion. Don't give her coffee. Take medicine. Take your medicine on time. It may be advice. So this sentence expresses order, request, advice. Come on, next. The fourth one is exclamative sentences, and we can say it exclamatory sentence. So exclamative sentences express strong emotion, surprise, and an exclamation, and they always end with an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark, you will get that there was a straight line, and under it you will get one dot marks. That is, this sign is known as exclamatory sign. And what is the use of exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses some sudden or strong feeling of the mind is called an exclamatory sentence. Sudden feeling of mind. Suppose that you can look at the examples, and we can also use what plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb, and you can also use how plus adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb. Look at the examples. What a liar he is means that in this sentence you get surprise. What a liar he is. So you know that this sentence expresses sudden or strong feeling of the mind. What an exciting movie it was. It is also indicates a strong feeling of the mind, emotion, surprise. How he lied, how exciting the movie was. So here you will get the four types of sentence. First is declarative, second is interrogative, third is imperative, and fourth is exclamative. So look at the examples. He stopped. Did he stop? Stop. How he stopped. So you know that declarative sentence is also known as assertive sentence, and it tells us something. It gives us information, and it normally ends with full stop. An interrogative question asks us something. Interrogative question asks us something, wants information, and always end with a question mark. And it has two parts, two kinds. One is known as yes no type, that will start with helping verb, and second one will start with WH words. And third is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence expresses command, request, suggestion, advice. So it will end with full stop, and sometime subject will be hidden. In imperative sentence, subject will be hidden and the subject will be always you. And last one is exclamative sentence. You can say it exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotion, surprise of the mind. Sudden or strong feeling of the mind is called an exclamatory sentence. Thank you. I hope that you have understood these topics clearly.